you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be doing a low sleek bun because my hair is so big right now and I am going out tonight and I just don't want to wear my hair like this. So we're about to tame it a little bit and do a nice swoop with some edges or whatever. So that's what we're about to do. But first I'm gonna moisturize my hair a little bit, but not a lot. Most of the moisture is going to be to my roots. I really want all of this hair, like the back of my hair, I really want it to be big and fluffy, and I don't want to take away from that volume. So make sure you are not manipulating the back a lot, and mostly and mainly just the front. So I'm gonna start off by parting my hair off actually. So I do want a side part. I normally put my side part on this side, so just go ahead and part that out. I think I got my part where I want it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off the hair because, like I said, you don't want to manipulate the back of the hair. So you want to basically get this front portion away from the back portion. Okay, so now that you have your hair section off, the back is in a bun and then I have the front kind of like on each side. So now you want to go in with some type of moisturizer because your hair dry, because this is an old wash and go, an old blowout or something like that. So I'm going in with the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. This stuff is like my go-to for any type of smoothing style. It is just so smooth. It's like a daily moisturizer for like a wash and go. I tried it, it just don't work. But you just want to put it on your roots, just the roots. Well, you could put it at the length of your hair, but like I said, only the part that you got to smooth down. Try not to concentrate on the ends because a lot of the products are gonna cause like random frizzing and stuff like that. So you want to just avoid additional product if you can. So I'm going in with that cream only on the roots, and now I'm gonna go in with the Wetline Extreme, the new Wetline Extreme gel, because I want it to be nice and like, listen, this part right here is about to be hard. You ain't gonna be able to get this up at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part it and put gel on my roots and make sure I smooth this product out. Now when you are doing these styles, you have to break it down. The thicker your hair, the more you have to just break it down in sections. So just be aware that if you do want to do this hairstyle, it's going to take time. It's not a hairstyle that's just gonna be like, boom, we're done with this. Like, nah, it just ain't gonna happen. Not if your hair is thick. So I like to just go ahead and smooth my hair down as I'm going. So then you just want to brush it as smooth as you can. This is a Cantu brush that I really like. It has like teeth on the ends of it. It just gets right in there when you're trying to really smooth out the front part, and y'all know that's the most important part. Just like to take that on here and keep this nice and smooth. Do y'all see how straight this is getting? Super straight. Okay, so now at the top of the hair, I do want to go in with Style Factor Edge Booster Styling Gel as well. This is the pineapple scent. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, rub it in my hands, and then go ahead and apply that all on top. You just want to make sure you smooth this in with a nice smooth bristle brush. And as you can see, whew, girl, look at that. That is so smooth. It looked like you got like a whole press out. And it's staying there. Like as soon as I smush it all down, it's like there. Like boom. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue. I'm telling you, this is going to be so sleek. It's going to be unbelievable. So this is the Got To Be Glued Lasting Freeze Spray. So you just want to go ahead and spray it. Brush it in some more. Then I'm going to go in with my dryer. You guys know I have the Dyson dryer, so I'm just going to go on the low setting, low heat, and I'm just going to make sure I dry this as much as I can so that it does not revert back. So I'm just going to hold this like this. I went ahead and put some pins right here. These are just some pins from the beauty supply store. I love to use these to go ahead and secure stuff down for me to go to like the next section and stuff. So I already have this nice and smooth, so I just secured this with 2 of these clips. So now I'm gonna go ahead on this side and start working my way up. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the cream to this section, and basically I'm just repeating the same thing over and over and over that I did on the other side. So I'm just gonna add the cream, then I'm gonna brush that through. Not all the way through your hair, but just your roots area. Then I want to go on top of that with the Wet Line Extreme Gel. And then keep brushing and applying your product. And make sure you go ahead and put a clip right there to keep it nice and smooth. And then move on to the next section. Section off a small piece. Like I said, the thicker your hair, the smaller pieces you want to work in, because you want it to be nice and smooth. Now, since this part right here is a little unruly, it's a little thicker, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the Style Factor underneath the top piece, because I really want this to be smooth, you guys, like really smooth. And you really want to do some work with your hands, just making sure you really creating some type of heat to make sure that that is sticking to that head. Y'all see that? Stuck to the head. If it don't stick without you put a ponytail holder in it, it's not it, sis. It's not it. I'm just gonna split this up into 2 more sections and then we'll be done. As y'all can see, my hair is molded to my head without the clips. They don't need the clips. Take all the clips out. And you want to use a regular hair tie for this. I tried using my snappies, but it just doesn't help for me because I need this to be done really quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth my hair back. I gotta take this out first. So after you take out the back portion, let that free. You wanna just go ahead and take all of the hair and do one last smooth. And what I like to do is make sure this part isn't like puffing up, because that's that's the worst part, is when this look all bulky. So make sure you really mold that part as much as you can. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this hair tie, double it, and put it on. And I want to double it again. And from here, you just want to fluff it out. Like really fluff it out. And now also you want to go back in with your dryer. Alright, you guys, so now that you have the basics, you have your puff in the back, and you have this nice and smoothed out. You can tell that my edges are not looking all good and done up yet. So I'm gonna go in with the Lovely Bees Edge Control, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on my edge brush, like that. And then go ahead and just start moving my edges. So I am done with my edges. And as y'all can see, y'all, they are slayed. So the only thing left for you to do now is to basically spray some more of your Got to Be Glued on your hair. So you really want to make sure you shake this up, because if it's not shaking up, sometimes it won't even spray. So I like to shake it up. And make sure I spray the top of my hair, because we're going to tie it up. Then you want to get you a scarf and make sure you tie your edges. I'm gonna double tie this. Okay, so I have one scarf to tie my edges. This one is normally just like a longer one. I don't even know what to say. It's just like a long skinny one. It's not like a regular scarf that's in a triangle or anything. You can get both of these from the beauty supply store, but I like to go ahead and tie my edges down first. And I got this from Minnie Marley. She double tied her hair when she did her little bun thingy. And I was like, oh, that's a great idea. So that's why I'm doing it for you. Tie them edges down. Because like I said, I want this part to be flat. So it is still a little bit wet because I don't have a lot of time to dry it. Now, if you do have time, I would hit it with the blow dryer a little bit longer than I did. But unfortunately, we're kind of pushing it for time, so we don't have time for all that. I just tied this scarf. This is a triangle scarf, and I just tied it so that it'll fit right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and tie this up as well. All right, y'all, so it is double tied right now, so I'm gonna let this just sit on my hair until I'm ready to go, and I will show you guys the last results. Alright y'all, so this is the final look for the low sleek bun, and I think it came out so beautiful. I really like it. It's super sleek, but and it's in place, like it's not going nowhere. So I took off the scarf and my edges, y'all, ooh, this Lovely Bees edge control, y'all, is where it's at. Like, it's so good. So yeah, this is what my hair looking like. I got a few waves on this side because, like I said, I couldn't let it dry for too long. But if you do stretch it and like really put the blow dryer to it, you won't have as many waves. You will have waves, but you won't have as many. But yeah, so this side looking pretty good. The back is fluffed out. Y'all, I love this look. It's so nice, sleek, and beautiful. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and comment on this video, and share it to your friends so that they know how to sleek everything down. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of videos out here that show you how to do it. But this product combination with the new wet line gel, along with the Style Factor gel, and the Got to Be spray, and the TGIN daily moisture, all I'm saying is the product combo is A1. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.